How to spot a narcissist. Have you ever encountered someone who seems to be overly self-absorbed, manipulative, and constantly seeking admiration? Chances are, you've met a narcissist. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of narcissism, using real-life examples and analogies to help you spot a narcissist in your life. But first, let's start with a question. Have you ever had a close encounter with a narcissist? Share your experiences in the comments below. Part 1. Understanding Narcissism. 1. What is narcissism? Narcissism is a personality trait characterized by an inflated sense of self-importance, a constant need for admiration, and a lack of empathy for others. It's named after the Greek myth of Narcissus, who fell in love with his own reflection. 2. The narcissistic personality disorder, NPD. While everyone may exhibit some narcissistic traits, NPD is a more severe form of narcissism. It's a mental health condition that can cause significant distress and impairment in a person's life. Part 2. Identifying narcissistic traits. 1. Grandiosity. Narcissists often have an exaggerated sense of self-importance. They may believe they're superior to others and deserve special treatment. For example, they might expect to be treated like royalty at a restaurant, even if they're just a regular customer. 2. Need for admiration. Narcissists crave attention and praise from others. They may constantly seek compliments and become upset if they don't receive them. Imagine a friend who always talks about their achievements and gets upset when you don't acknowledge them. 3. Lack of empathy. Narcissists struggle to understand and share the feelings of others. They may dismiss other people's problems or show little concern for their well-being. Picture a coworker who never offers help or support when you're struggling with a difficult task. Part 3. Spotting narcissists in relationships. 1. Love bombing. In the early stages of a relationship, narcissists may shower their partners with affection and attention. This can make their partners feel special and loved, but it's often a manipulation tactic to gain control. 2. Gaslighting. Narcissists may use gaslighting to manipulate their partners and make them doubt their own perceptions. For instance, they might deny saying something hurtful or blame their partner for misremembering the event. 3. Devaluation. Over time, narcissists may start to devalue their partners, criticizing and belittling them. This can erode their partner's self-esteem and make them more dependent on the narcissist's approval. Part 4. Protecting yourself from narcissists. 1. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries with narcissists to protect your emotional well-being. For example, you might decide not to engage in arguments or limit the time you spend with them. 2. Seek support. Reach out to friends, family, or a mental health professional for guidance and support in dealing with a narcissist in your life. 3. Trust your instincts. If you feel like something is off in a relationship or encounter with a narcissist, trust your gut. Remember that you have the right to protect yourself and prioritize your well-being. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into spotting and dealing with narcissists. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Psychology Facts for more enlightening content on psychology and relationships. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore even more fascinating topics in the world of psychology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.